Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome Iqra family. My name is Coach Hanad. In this video, I'm going to teach you some common English idioms that native speakers use all the time. Maybe you have been learning this language years, still you cannot able to understand when native speakers speaking to you, when you are communicating with them. The reason is they use all the time phrases, idiomatics, and also indirect language, okay? So that is the reason. In this video, I'm going to help you to understand some common idioms, okay? There are thousands of idioms, but we have here 5 of them. I'm going to teach you today. Come on. Okay. Number 1, we have here, what is a blue moon? What is a blue moon? Means sometimes, not very often. Maahan wax inta badan aad samaysid. Sometimes you can say, I go to the beach when it's a blue moon. Okay? Mararka qaar waxaan aadaa xeebta ama beach. Okay. You can use like that. When is a blue moon? Iga daba dheh. When is a blue moon? Okay? Sometimes unbay la micno tahay. Not very often. Wax aadan inta badan aadan samaynin weeyaan. Okay? Next we have, don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. You get that? Don't beat around the bush. Good. Okay, don't beat around the bush means to avoid getting to the point of an issue. Inaad iska ilaalisid in wax xaqiiqada jira aad ka hadashid. Waad iska ilaalinaysaa. For example, xaqiiqada jirta waad garanaysaa adigoo og baa hadana saaxiibkaaga waxaad kula doodaysaa aniga waxaas ma jiraan. So that means okay, waxaad ka leexleexanaysaa xaqiiqada jirta. So you can use like that. Don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Next we have number 3. We have pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. You get that? Pull yourself together means to calm down. To calm down. Okay? To get control of your emotions. Inaad isdejisid markay ay wax kugu dhacaan oo kale. For example, waxaad ka guuldareystay ama waxaad ka dhacday exam-kii baad ka dhacday. Okay? So you have to calm down when aad isdejisaa. That means pull yourself together. You have to get your emotion. Okay? Waa inaad dareenkaagi aad soo ceshataa. So isdeji un weeyaan macnaheed. Okay? Calm down. Okay, if you don't understand this one, you can understand this one. Kanaad fahmaysaa, okay? Marka casharka waxaa loogu talagalay dad luqadooda hooyar yar wanaagsan tahay. Even if you are beginner, haddaad tahay xitaa beginner, videoga daawo in badan, soo ku soo celceli waad baranaysaa insha Allah. Okay, next we have number 4. Okay, make up your mind. Make up your mind means to decide something to do. To decide something to do. Inaad horta aad go'aansatid wax inaad samaysid. For example, luqadii baad doonaysaa inaad baratid, waa inay dhab ka noqotaa aad go'aansataa. Okay? So make up your mind. Waa maskaxdaada ku sameey, laakiin macnaheedu wuxuu yahay to decide something. Inaad wax aad go'aansato. Haddaad doonaysid luqadan inaad baratid, waa inaad go'aansataa, waa inaad dadaal ku bixisaa. Okay? Next we have number 5. We have you crack me up. Okay? Repeat after me. You crack me up. You crack me up means to make someone laugh very hard. Okay? In saaxiibkaagi aad ka qosol siiso waliba si had dhaafa. Okay. You can say adigoo yara qoslaya. You crack me up. You crack me up means waad iga qosol siinaysaa un weeyaan. Okay? So that's it. Our lesson for today. Thank you. Better luck next time.